Kenyan President ولیم Ruto on Friday participated in the groundbreaking ceremony for the Chinese-built Talanta Sports City in Nairobi, Kenya's capital. The Talanta Sports City will have a 60,000-seat FIFA-standard professional football stadium to be constructed by a Chinese company. The project is slated for completion by the end of 2025 and will serve as the main venue for the opening and closing ceremonies as well as matches of the 2027 Africa Cup of Nations.
We are here today, therefore, to demonstrate this commitment by accompanying our promises with investment. The Talanta Sports City represents our determination in action to connect our youth to meaningful opportunities to explore their talent, give themselves an opportunity to train in modern facilities, and work with us towards winning the games that we are set out to engage in.